Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to publish a Roblox game. So let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and either create a new game or open an existing one. Once your game is open, go to the top left and click on File, then choose Game Settings. Before continuing, tap on Save to Roblox. Enter your game's name and description. Both of these can be changed later. You can also adjust settings like creator, genre, and supported devices. Once done, click Save. Your game will reload. Go back to File and tap Game Settings again. Now more settings will appear. You can add a game icon, screenshots, or a YouTube video. These are optional, but help make your game look professional. You can also configure monetization options like Game Passes to earn Robux. Now click on the Permissions tab. Set the game to public if you want everyone on Roblox to access it. Click Save. Finally, return to File and click Publish to Roblox. The changes will be saved and your game will be published. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.